Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a factual look at the Smith & Wesson M&P15 Sport 3, a modern sporting rifle introduced as an updated version of the company's long-running sport series. This video is intended for educational purposes, focusing on its design, manufacturing, and role in the U.S. firearms market. The M&P15 Sport 3 continues the evolution of Smith & Wesson's sporting rifle lineup, with updates aimed at improving reliability, durability, and compatibility with common AR platform components. Like many rifles in this category, it follows a modular design that allows owners to customize accessories and configurations where legally permitted. One of the reasons this platform receives attention is its lightweight construction and familiar ergonomic layout. The controls are designed to be easy to access, while the receiver and rail system support a variety of optics and accessories depending on the owner's intended sporting use. The exact configuration may vary between different models and markets. From a manufacturing standpoint, Smith & Wesson applies modern machining processes and quality control standards throughout production. The company has decades of experience producing firearms in the United States, and the Sport 3 reflects ongoing refinements based on customer feedback and advances in manufacturing technology. The AR platform has become one of the most recognized rifle designs in America, finding use in recreational target shooting, competitive shooting sports, and other lawful activities. Because of its popularity, it has also been the subject of significant public discussion regarding firearm laws, regulations, and safety. These conversations continue to shape how such products are sold and owned across different states. It's important to remember that firearm ownership comes with serious legal and safety responsibilities. Laws vary by state and locality, and anyone considering firearm ownership should understand the regulations that apply where they live. Safe storage, proper handling, and responsible ownership are essential to helping prevent accidents and unauthorized access. Whether you're interested in engineering, manufacturing, or the history of modern sporting rifles, the M&P15 Sport 3 represents another step in the continuing development of this well-known platform. Its updated features highlight how manufacturers continue refining existing designs to meet changing customer expectations while maintaining compatibility with widely used components. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy factual videos covering vehicle technology, manufacturing, engineering, and other modern innovations, be sure to subscribe for more educational content. Let us know in the comments what technology